Hey guys, it's Christian Sean Caspers, and today's day 30 of 100 Days to Prosperity with videos. So, in case you haven't heard what that is, my group and we're basically doing a 30-day, well, I should say 100-day video challenge. I got 30 in mind because today is my day 30. I've been making videos for 30 days for this challenge. We basically have a challenge to make a video every day, shoot it off to your list, post it, tell a little bit about yourself, share your tips, tricks, and secrets about how to build a business, and the good, the bad. This is how it is, guys. I'm an open book, and that just means that I'm telling you my progress as I go, and no hidden secrets here, no secrets held behind. You join me in a business and I'll tell you exactly how it is. So today's day 30. All right, so we have been, or I have been making for you a little mini series on the Power Lead system and the sales funnels, how to create sales funnels with Power Lead and Capture Page, how to use a marketing system called Power Lead system. All right, we did two parts before. And if you remember, if I share my screen with you, we had a capture page with a little video that we created, okay? If you haven't seen this series before, I'm going to leave some links below, by the way, on this video, or maybe some buttons if you're getting it through a capture page. Look for the links to see the other two parts. So anyway, we created this video for a capture page, along with some fields here where you fill in capture information. And this isn't bad. You come in here, you put your name here, and you put your address in there, and then, of course, it's got a little code there to make sure you're not a robot. Click here to access. Takes us to Lead Lightning, which is not what the fuck. All right, so as you can see, it plays a little video, and you fill in your name, your email address, little code, and what happens next is you click here to access, and it takes us to the funnel that we created. All right, however, we did not connect this capture page to the sales funnel yet. That's one of the things I'm going to show you tonight. Okay, in the meantime, let's go ahead and pull up that funnel so you can remember what that looks like. Okay, so we created a funnel, and remember, this is just a funnel we created for the purpose of this video, for this little tutorial series. This isn't a business that I'm going to promote, although it does contain parts of business pieces that I promote. I just threw them together for the purpose of this tutorial. We put a button on here where you click on it and you get to join up with the Pure Profit Pro business. And if you remember last time I mentioned that it goes to a capture page. That's how I programmed it. But generally at this point, since people have already signed in with the capture page over here, you don't need to send them to another capture page, okay? You'll want to send them to the business that you want them to sign up with. So in this case, Pure Profit Pro, if I get the URL right. All right, there it is, Pure Profit Pro. And this was a business that I promote. So basically, you could take one of these links here and promote that. I think it's this one, yeah, it takes you to a video. So that's what you would program. And if you remember, in order to program that, we had to program some variables. I won't go through them all again here, but just to remind you, we had companies I promote, and Pure Profit Pro is down here. So in this case, you could replace this link with a different link and it would go somewhere else. So we programmed a couple of these codes for our funnel, okay? All right, we also programmed Get My Paying Ads. When you click on that, it takes you right to it. And we programmed Get Ads, at least ad space, which is a traffic site. Okay. Got these robots. Verification here. Make sure you're not a robot. They're so much fun. But that's part of the internet today. It's being secure. All right. That didn't take too long. I want to show you here. This is the least ad space. Again, there's different packages here you can purchase, and you purchase them one at a time until you get to the max. Pretty good. Anyway, 3 traffic sources. There'll be a link to one of my funnels I do promote. I'll probably leave 3 or 4 funnels in the video or links. You'll find them. Anyway, that's one of the other ones we programmed. And okay, so now what we need to do is we need to be able to program or link together the capture page to this sales page. Right? Once that's done, then you'll be able to promote this URL. But first, you'll have to assign it to a domain name. All right. So let's go ahead and connect those two together. All right. So if we go over here to view these pages. Okay, I'm going to sort this. And if you remember, I called this Pure Profit Pro low budget. I use like a prefix so that when you sort pages by name, then they're grouped together. Okay, so that's how I can easily find the pages. Lead capture page, that would be this one. Click on test link. You can see it goes right there. And then the sales page, click on test link, and it takes you there. All right, so what we want to do is go to the capture page, edit, and when they click on it, select a domain to use with this web page. Okay, so this domain, which we programmed last time, it will be the domain that we send them to. Now, if you don't have a subdomain to go to your main domain, you can just type in one here, okay? And then when you save this, it'll create that subdomain, and that will be the complete URL linked to that page, okay? We have one, ppplb.makemoneywithchristian. All right, they've got first name and email address is what we're going to display. All right, now if you want an autoresponder, I do have some autoresponder campaigns, and I'll probably review the campaigns a little bit, maybe on the next part. But basically, I can just pick a campaign that already exists. For example, this one here, 18 messages. So when they sign up for this capture page, they'll start getting emails from that autoresponder. Might just show it to you this video. All right, so down here, what do we want to do when using the domain above? Where do you want prospects to go after completing the survey? They call that form where they fill in their name a survey. And once they click the button, we want to send them to that capture page we created. So I'm going to pick the corporate URL of a company promote. Nope, I don't want that. I want a page on your website. And if you remember, again, it's sorted. So it's Pure Profit Pro, which was PPP. LB, we want to send them to the sales page. Okay. Now down here we've got some search engine optimization and keywords. I don't use this too much, but for those of you who are search engine gurus, you can certainly type things in here. For example, we might say something like instant cash, or maybe something like traffic sources, etc. This is a description, so I probably want to put that over here. build a business with instant cash profits. And then you can put some keywords in there. Like I said, I don't use this too much, but you can certainly start using it. Save. All right, everything else is the same, so I'm going to save it. All right, yeah. Everything else is the same, so I'm going to click on review your web page. Click on it. All right, now put in my name.
Will each be in.
Put in our little robot, anti-robot code. Click here, for instance, and poof, it goes right to the sales page. So that's how you program a capture page to go to your sales page. All right. Now, let's see. We've only been doing this video for, well, I don't know, not very long. So let's go ahead and do something else. I like that capture page, but when I looked at it in a cell phone, I didn't like the way it displayed in a cell phone. So what I'd like to do is build another capture page. And I'm going to do this kind of quick. All right, so let's go through that, and I'll show you how to link up a video to it. I think it's a better capture page than the one that I just showed you. So I'll take you through that, okay? So I'm share my screen again. I'm going to give you a little preview of this capture page because I am already using one similar to it on a funnel that I just finished. So you see here, this is a nice video. It looks good on the mobile phone. You've got your capture information and all that. So let's see if we can create a page like this, the capture page like this. Then we'll link it to the sales page, and we'll use that. And then we'll point the subdomain to this capture page as well. Okay. And this is good review on how to do this kind of stuff. All right. All right. So let's go to at least add space again. Okay, so what we want to do is go to websites, web pages, create a web page with a custom template that uses an opt-in form. And I'm going to come down here to template 5. I kind of like that one. You can click on this to look at it, and you click here to choose it. All right, so this is a tutorial for Power Leads System. Okay, so this title is what we see. So actually, I'm going to call this PPP, Pure Profit Pro, Low Budget, and we're going to call this the capture page number 2. So this is our alternate capture page. I'm going to call it number 2. All right, and title of the web page to show the website visitors, and that's good enough. We're going to assign a URL that already exists, which is going to be that same one that we had before, which was PPPLB. Okay. Display the first name, email address. Now you could have them fill out more information. Just keep in mind that the more information you ask for, the less likely it is that they'll fill it all out. So I just put myself. I only put first name and email address. Campaign. I'm going to pick one of these campaigns. Let's just pick. Let's see, this way. All right, and we're going to send them to that sales page again. Okay, so that's PPP. What is it? PPP low budget. Yeah, here we go. Sales page. Again, you could fill out the search engine optimization description, keywords. All right. I'm going to save this. Let's go ahead and play with this because actually I've never used submit button text before or changed the text. So show me the instant cash. Let's try that. All right. Boom. instant cash business. Complete system inside. Something like that. All right, right here, select where you get your video from. I'm going to take it from YouTube. I'm going to go over to YouTube, and I'm going to pick a video to put in there. All right. So for this one, now this is a capture page. I try to keep it short because you want to capture their attention, but you don't want it to be so long, you know, that they get bored, right? This one here is 1 minute and 13 seconds long. I'm just going to play it real quick to give you an idea of what I was shooting for. So check this out. As soon as they hit this,
stop signing up for all these programs and giving up after a month or so because you don't know how to promote it. The business doesn't grow, you're not making money, and you figure the grass is greener on the other side. Guys, it's not. My name is...
So there you go. I basically am capturing their attention within the first 10 seconds because I have a lot of my advertising is in RevShare. And in that environment, a lot of people are just putting their sales page on there right to the business, and they expect people to sign up, and they have no idea what they're supposed to sign up for. You know, this capture page, along with the sales funnel that we have, explains everything. It gives them something to click to listen to and learn about before they go sign up for stuff. Okay, so I believe that this will work pretty well. This is a new funnel that I created. Just started using it, by the way. All right, so that's what we're going for. We're just going to look for a video to put in there. And for the purpose of the example, really it could be anything, but let's just go to, I have these videos. Some of them are hidden, like the one you just saw. This is the intro. All right, so that's the one we're going to do. I'm going to click on this, and up here you're going to see click on share, embed. You're gonna put this embed code in your clipboard, and you're going to come back here. You're going to save changes and move to the next step after selecting I want to use video from another website, i.e. YouTube, and you should come here. Paste that in there. Check off this box to start the video automatically. Save your changes. All right. Now, go to view your web page, and there it is. We just created a capture page. Okay. So now, if we go to PPP low budget make money with Christian, it goes there. Okay. And always test your funnels, guys. Just because you created it now doesn't mean it's going to work automatically. You got to make sure it works before you start promoting it. Okay. And there you go. Poof, we're on the inside. It works. Okay, so that was that's pretty good. So we basically we tied a capture page to a sales page. Then we also basically what did we do? We created a second sales page, and we tied that to the sales page, a second capture page, and we tied that to the sales page as well. So one more thing I want to do before we wrap this video up, and I'll reserve the autoresponder emails for next video. But let's go ahead and I want to add one more video on a drop-down page within the sales page. It is pretty cool how this works. So I'm going to show you how to do that. All right. So let's do that next. Share my screen. And remember, guys, I'm winging this on the fly. You know, there's no rehearsals here. So take it as it comes. But let's go back to our web pages. And if you remember, I like to sort by name to find things easier. You'll see down here we have the sales page, lead capture page, and capture page 2. Now, I like to keep the names similar for similar pages. Both of these are capture pages. So I'm going to call this lead capture page option 1, and we'll call this one lead capture page option 2. So I'm just going to rename this lead capture page option 2. Option 2, okay. And that's just what we see. Just keeps it organized. And we're going to name this other one lead capture page option 1. Okay. All right. Very good. Okay. All right, so we have 2 different capture pages we can use along with the sales page. So they can pick this one to promote, right? Or they can pick
Will
this
each
one.
be investing
Either
in
one.
hours in our new business?
All right. So now let's go to the sales page. All right, and if you remember, it looks like this. What we're going to do is we're going to add a video down below here. And what we're going to do is we're going to promote our Facebook. Okay. Shit. Start here again.